say, hypothetically, in the ending of Jeffy's bad work after Jeffy lied to the cops, Mario were to put Jeffy up for adoption. That would make sense because Jeffy was horrible to Mario in that video. And Mario tells Jeffy, on the other hand, that isn't the case. On top of that, this video is filled with so many merch plugs.
Gimme.
It's kind of
Gimme.
This video was pretty bad. It definitely
Oh, hey. Oh, what the?
SML videos list, but it's hard to argue that this video was good at all.
Oh, do why? Hey, do you guys want to help me set up my bacon set?
I bet you guys
Probably not.
Hey, second place isn't bad. I mean, on this list it's pretty bad, but whatever. I have talked about my hatred for Jeffy's birthday surprise so many times that it isn't funny anymore. And I think the main reason I don't like this video is because it's so boring.
Well, do you want to get knocked out too? Help me make this happen. I'm dead. Well, I guess I have to get some more helps. What the heck was that, though, Junior?
Chicken when there's a very clear solution to his problem. This would have been number one, but there's something else.
I'm gonna have to make.
Throughout 2021, I've been periodically checking in on SML to see if the quality has changed, and in my opinion, it really hasn't. Fat Jeffy was a really lazy video. The remake of Chef PPT's Fuse is something I don't even want to get into because we would be here all day. And then there's Jeffy Almost Drowned. I don't know if Mario woke up on the wrong side of the bed, but holy hell, he is insanely unlikable here. Mario, Rosalina, and Jeffy all go to the...
Well, guys, I hope I make my making set myself. So stay put, okay? Oh, this house. I'll give you something to buy. I'm gonna buy that.
Later that night, Rosalina wants to invite Brad over, so she asks Chef Pee to make food. But since Mario's an ungrateful asshole, he asks Chef Pee to make Brad's food horrible. Later at dinner, Brad chokes on the food and dies. Mario instantly tries to hide the body, but eventually Brad comes back alive. It's so annoying that Mario is insanely grumpy during this video. He is so ungrateful that someone saved his son simply because that person was one of Rosalina's exes. Jeffy Almost Drowned, while not the worst 2021 video, at least from what I've seen, it's still a really unfunny video.
Oh, guys, I just got this on.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and I am the SMR.
Dude, that does Hollywood. Shh. I'll stop. I'll stop.
Hotline Miami is a game series that deserves a lot more attention than it currently has. Hotline Miami 2 specifically is one of my favorite games.
Do you guys want
of all time. Both games have a
This is
nice
my
mix of
bacon
art
test,
style,
so do you guys want something?
gameplay, awesome levels, and
I wonder if you're gonna give us.
one of the most interesting
Hold on, can I take that off? What the why?
Arguably the second
You with that on?
cast in any video game series.
Did you just break that? Sorry, dude. I'm on the bite. I was trying to take it off. Infect this. I'm gonna just get rid of it. Just get rid of it. Just go put it.
I won't be tackling this video alone. This is a collab between me and that gamer Marco.
If you don't watch my videos, I did a count on my top 10 favorite hotline.
Look. You guys want to I'm a chef. I'm a chef in this world, and I want to take you out. I'm a chef in this world, and I want to take you out on a date. I want to take you out on a date.
Yes, officer, I need you to take this man to jail. What did he do? He tried to kidnap my son by using ice cream. So yeah, with flavor. Oh yeah, you're gonna hear for a long time.
Just get rid of that bacon thing.
stranger? Oh my God. What am I? Okay, please, hands up. Okay, whatever you say. All right, now get to that wall. All right, please don't shoot me. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Well, I can't go back to jail. Oh, he's resisting. He's resisting arrest. He's going for my gun. Don't do it. I will shoot you.
Hey, Junior, what are you doing? Well, so baby, I just basically just came out of my phone because they didn't want to help me on my bacon set. What the? Why would you do that, Junior?
Junior has Cody sneak into the house, but Tyrone catches him and he thinks that Cody.
Do you want me to do it to you next? Because you know what's coming up next, you mother hacker. Mother hacker? What's that mean? You better spoon not tell me about that. He's got to get eat today.
Specials tend to be a mixed bag. On one hand, you've got Jeffy's birthday wish and Jeffy's birthday, but on the other hand, you've got Jeffy's birthday trip and, of course, Jeffy's birthday surprise. So when Jeffy's 16th birthday came out in 2020, my expectations were pretty low, yet it was actually better than I thought it would be. Take that with a grain of salt because it's still not good. This is a video about Jeffy's 16th birthday. Obviously, Mario gets Jeffy a crappy car and cupcakes for his birthday, but Jeffy doesn't like either of them. Then Rosalina's ex-boyfriend, Super D, shows up at the door and he provides Jeffy.
Eat this, yeah. Why am I eating pure plastic, Junior?
Super strength and flight. Come on,
everybody be grateful for it.
All these superpowers help make Jeffy.
Dude, what the heck is wrong with you? You want what's wrong with me?
Look, the Jeffy car.
I'll stick up a stick.
Why get a car wrapped like Jeffy at all? Obviously, this makes Mario jealous. Then Jeffy gets a speeding ticket in his new car, and this leads to the scene with the broken guy. The broken guy was easily the best part of this video, which isn't a surprise. Jeffy then realizes how spoiled he was for not appreciating the gifts that Mario gave him, so he apologized.
What the? Why what the?
Oh yeah,
why I got a warm pit on my butt?
Showing up to the house acting like a stripper, but these scenes could have been removed from the video and nothing would have changed. They are completely pointless. This is a video that
this is why I just want to go out of here, guys. You don't never help me. This is why I just do this to people.
No, that's it.
Look, dude, what the? Are you sticking a stick on my butt?
He has a gray mustache.
One of the better 2020 videos is The Imaginary Girlfriend. It was a funny video where Joseph dates a piece of paper. The reason I bring it up is because Joseph's imaginary family takes the basic idea from that video and does it incorrectly. Joseph gets jealous that Junior and Cody have families, so Junior creates him his own family out of paper. Joseph sees them as more than paper. He sees them as...
He got back, Junior.
Also, for some reason, Joseph has sex with his family members. It's just strange, and it's quite relaxed.
Goodbye.
Eventually, the family baby...
You better get away, you sucker.
This gives Junior an idea to get rid of Joseph's family. Junior creates a guy pretty funny. He informs Joseph's family that Joseph is the baby. The family then leaves Joseph because he killed the baby. I find this video weird because it really feels like a fantasy where Joseph has sex with paper. There were some genuinely good moments, like the scene with the broken guy and the beginning of this video. But that's all that really saves this video.
No, that's an old man. Well, no, that's my son Jeffy. Look, his shirt says Jeffy. He has a gray mustache.
Jeffy's Scary Movie is another one of those videos that has a good idea, but not a good execution. The concept is pretty good, although a bit basic. Jeffy wants to make a scary clown movie.
Shoot, I guess I don't got a top hat today.
Watching it, and he gets scared by it. The scary clown movie itself was actually my favorite part of the entire video. It's so ridiculous, but it works so well. But yeah,
I'm a top hat guy.
And Mario needs to prevent Rosalina from finding out that Jeffy watched the movie. However, Rosalina conveniently starts showing Jeffy items that remind him of the movie. It feels incredibly forced, it's very predictable, and it's not very interesting. The only time where it works is when Rosalina takes out a balloon.
I know what'll make you feel better.
You know what?
Mommy, now you know what you did.
I'm gonna kidnap you. Wait, what?
Mario ends up admitting that he showed Jeffy the Scary Clown movie, and while Rosalina is upset, Mario says that he will never lie to her ever again. And that's all that happens in this video. The majority of it is Jeffy getting scared by comment items because they remind him of the movie. It gets annoying after a bit, and it goes on for a while. But this video also has and a few other really funny jokes.
Why? That's it. Something else has to change.
The video that sounds right up my alley, but I actually found this video extremely and that's mostly because of the fact that you may remember that I this video on my list. Simmons stops Chief's wife from getting out, and for his reaction,
Yeah.
that's completely fine. However,